If you want to know where to find Chroma Key in CapCut and how to use it properly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove a green screen background in CapCut Desktop, so you can replace it with any background you want. This is perfect for edits, tutorials, talking head videos, and any project where you want a clean, professional look. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut Desktop on your computer. Once the app is open, import your video files. You'll want two things here: your green screen clip and your background video or image. If you're using a green screen recording, make sure that file is ready to go, and then bring in the background you want to place behind it. After your files are imported, drag both of them into the timeline. The background should sit on the bottom track, and the green screen clip should sit above it on the top layer. This layered order matters because the clip with the green background is the one that needs to be removed, while the lower layer becomes the visible background. Now click the green screen video in the timeline so it becomes selected. Once it's selected, look over to the right-hand panel. This is where CapCut keeps the editing tools for your clip. From there, go to the video section. Inside the video options, you'll see different tools, and one of them is Remove BG. Click Remove BG first, then click Chroma Key. This is the key feature that tells CapCut you want to remove a specific color from your video, usually green or blue screen footage. Now here's the main part. Under Chroma Key, click the color picker tool, which is the eyedropper icon. After that, click directly on the green background in your video preview. CapCut will sample that color and start removing it automatically. At this point, the green screen should begin disappearing, revealing the background layer underneath. But don't stop there, because the next step is what makes the result look clean and natural. Fine-tune the settings until the background is fully gone. You can adjust the intensity, shadow, and any other available controls to remove leftover green edges and improve the cutout. If you see a faint green outline around your subject, keep adjusting the Chroma Key settings until it looks smooth. The goal is to make the transition as clean as possible so the subject blends naturally with the background. Once everything looks good, play back the clip and check for any rough spots, spill, or uneven edges. If needed, go back and make small adjustments until the result looks polished. And that's how you find Chroma Key in CapCut and use it step by step to remove a green screen background. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can completely change the look of your videos. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide.